That sharp crack is not bone grinding. It starts inside a fluid-filled joint, and the cavity can remain after the sound. At rest, the joint surfaces sit close together. Pulling the finger widens the gap, rapidly lowering the pressure. Gases dissolved in the synovial fluid gather in that low-pressure space, and a cavity forms almost instantly as the surfaces separate. The sound is linked to this rapid cavitation event. Its exact source is still debated, but the cavity does not simply vanish. This helps explain why the same joint usually cannot crack again until conditions reset. So that pop is a rapid pressure change, not a bone breaking.